at Silverthorne Golf Club. Look at the golf course, isn't that nice? Last job of the day is going to be a 3-car driveway. Just have to see how big it is when we get here. Some people say it's normal size, so they can get that normal size price. But anyway, these are pretty good. That's a 2-car. Some of these are bigger. We'll have to see when we get there. It's got a little extra length to it, then it's going to be a little extra money, right? Alright, let's get out here and see what we got, and we will see you when we arrive at the job. Alright, here we are. Let's check it out. Not too bad. It gets bad when it gets down the end there. You can see it's black. We're going to treat this with some sticky icky. I'm going to get after it. This is a moldy mess down here. All this mold around the AC. We'll hit that. He said it hadn't been done in a few years. He's just been putting bleach on his sidewalks up by the house. So see what this one looks like. Oh yeah, it's got mold on it. Nothing that sticky icky won't be able to handle. All the way to the doorway there. See it? All right, let's get after it. Big blizzard down here in sunny Florida today, and look what happened. It's sticky icky. Well, I really bumped it up for that satisfying content. A lot of people like to see suds and soap, so here we are, right? Look at that. It's just soaking right in. This is going to be a very nice clean driveway and sidewalk when we get done. You put the surfactant down with the SH. People drive by, they're like, "Ooh, look at that. I need to get me some." But anyway, it'll come out really nice. All right, let's get after it. Let's have a look. This thing came out nice. And it's not even time for the satisfying rinse yet. Oh, yeah, it came out real good. Look at the sticky icky is still all over the place. That mini Mondu looked like it was frothing at the mouth the whole time. All right, let's get the wand and turn it into Juan Valdez. Woohoo! Hey, 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 let's have a look. Look at this. This looks really good. Letting that surfactant and SH sit on there. Look at that. Cleaned it all the way up. Looks really good. The gutter in the road looks great. Always do that. And the mailbox had mold on it. Look at that. Looks new. Always do the curb. And then if there's a sewer cap, do the whole thing. See how nice that looks? It's called curb appeal. Woohoo! Satisfying to the neighbor's touch and eyes. You know, if you got a home, man, take pride. Keep it clean. Look at the sidewalk. Look at that. Came out nice. Looks beautiful. I love it. All right, let's go down here. He's got rust. There's nothing you can do about that. I went ahead and hit these gutters for him real quick. Didn't hurt me. He'll like it. Look at that. How shiny those doors are. Isn't that a welcoming sight? Welcome. Come down our clean sidewalk. It's satisfying. All right, I'm done. I think I've had enough crazy pressure washing for one day. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Hit the bell and get notified of all the crazy pressure washing videos. And that looks good. And that's a wrap. John here from Super Blast. Got a new customer. John, what do you think about the work?
I think it was very prompt, efficient, professional, and very reasonable price.
There you have it, folks. Reasonable price, be prompt, on time, and get after it.
We'll be right back.